Good morning everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Learn with Moji. In case you are seeing my face for the first time and if you are a returning subscribers, you are part of the family. I love you so much. So without wasting much of our time, I want us to go straight back to our mathematics clinic class. We have been using UGO C UGO 25th edition and we are now in text 8. So let's go straight to the class. Question number 1, in case you have the textbook, do well to bring it out. And in case you don't, I will be audible enough in reading out the question. Question number 1 says, evaluate 596.7 plus 10,679.0. Give your answer to 3 significant figure. Number 1, that is addition. The only question there is to put our answer in 3 significant figures. So we have 596.7 plus 10,679.0. So you have these together. This is 15, this is 17, this is 12, this is 1, and this is 1. But the question says we are to leave our answer in 3 significant figures. So we have it like, so that is our final answer, 0.0. So number 2, evaluate 1055 minus 99 plus 187. If you are going by the standard of board maths, we are to do addition before subtraction. But even if you do the subtraction before the addition in this question, we will get it. So let's go. 1055 minus 99, making 15, and that is what? 6. We have 4 here, that is 14, and that will be what? 5. Here we have 9. So our answer there is 956. Is that our final answer? No. So that will be 956 plus 187. This is 13. This is 8 plus this. This is 13 again plus the 1. That is 14. That is 10 and 11. So our final answer there is 1143, which is option B. So now to number 3, express 9,000. Let's write it out. Number 3, 9,099. So this is 9, this is 9, this is 0, this is 9. And we have it as option C. To number 4 question, what is the area of a rectangle which is 4 centimeters long, the length is 4 centimeters, and 3.2 centimeters, the width is what? 3.2 centimeters. So what is our formula to do this? Area is equal to length times W. That will be 4 multiplied by 3.2. Whatever answer you get is your final answer. Now to number 5 question. And for those cheap ones, please do well to finish it and send it in the comment section without using calculator. That is one of our rules. So number 5 says, twice Peter's age now is the same as 3 times his age 2 years ago. How old is Peter now? Twice is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Number 6 question, we are using this diagram to answer number 6 and 7. Then we have some shape here. We have 3 times 3, 2 times 3 times 2. So let me clean up to do that. I hope you have copied this. And in case there is any question you will want us to talk about, please put it in the comments section. So number 6, so let's solve this first. For the first diagram, we have 2, 3, and 2. Number 6A. 2, 3, and 2, that is 12. The B, We have 3, 3, 3, 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. The C. We have 1, 3, 6, that will be 1 times 3, 3, 3 times 2, that is 6 again, 6 centimeter. They all have centimeter anyway. For the fourth one, we have 3, 4, and 2. 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 2, that is 12 centimeter. And for the last one, which is E, we have 2 times 5, that is 10. 10 times 4, that is 40 centimeter. So now let's go to number 6. We are using this number to answer number 6 and 7. They said, which of the following above has the biggest volume? Obviously, it is 40. So that is E. Number 7. Which of the figure above is a cube? A cube, the 3 sides must be equal. So which of them has 3 equal sides? That is 2, which is 3 times 3 times 3. And that is 27, which is 2. I hope you get that. Number 8 question. We are told to divide 7,005 by 5. This is a very simple question, but if you don't place this 0 where they belong, even those zeros have their own value. So let's take it one by one. 5 in 7, that is 1. Remainder 2. 5 in 20, that is 4. Are we skipping this 0? No. So 5 in this is 0. It is 0. Then 5 in 5, that is 1. So that is our final answer for that number. Now to number 9. It said, which of the following fraction is the biggest? And we want us to do this. We can use 2 methods to do it. 1 over 6, 3 over 8, 1 over 4, 4 over 9, and 2 over 7. There are 2 methods to do this. You can find the LCM of all this. To get it, we've been doing it. We go through our previous questions we've solved, or do the fraction, then we will get the answer. Doing the fraction means it will be 6, 1. Is it possible? No. So 6 in 1, that is 1. Then you continue like that, you will get it. So now to number 10 question, without wasting our time, we have a chart here to use. So we have town W, X, Y, and Z. And in those towns, we have captain, we have colonel, we have major, we have general, and so on. So the question says, the chart below gives the number and types of army officers in 4 towns. How many brigadiers are in town Y? All you have to do is go to town Y, and that is 13. So the answer there is C, which is 13. So now to number 14. A woman took 20 naira to the market, spent 9 naira 50 kobo. Number 11. 9 naira 50 kobo on meat. That is on meat. 1 naira 40 kobo on tomatoes. 1 naira 40 kobo on tomatoes. 2 naira 25 kobo on sugar. 2 naira 25 kobo on sugar. Are we together? 1 naira 10 kobo on egg. 1 naira 10 kobo on eggs. And 50 kobo on vegetables. 50 kobo on vegetables. All you have to do is add all these things bought in the market by the woman. You add it together and take it away from the original 20 naira she took to the market. This is 5. That is 10, 15. That is 17. 5, 10, 15, 17. We are holding 1, making 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the woman spent 14 naira 75 kobo. So you take it away from the 20 naira she took to the market. So this is very simple. Do it and forward the answer to me in the comment section. Now to number 12. Use this table for number 12 to 14. They were given a chart, the number of boys in school, the number of girls in school, and the total number of pupils in the school. And we are given the attendance from Monday to Friday. So the question says, what is the total number of pupils in the school? We are told the boys we have, for boys we have 2, 3, 4, and for girls we have 1, 8, 6. For us to know the total number of pupils in that school, add this together. So this gives us is 0, this is 11 plus 1, 12, and this is 3. So that means the total number of pupils in that school was 420. How many boys were absent on Wednesday? We are meant to have 234 boys in that school, but on Wednesday we only had 212. So what do? You take it away from the 2. So originally we are supposed to have 2, 3, 4 boys, but on Wednesday only 216 are in school. So do it and let me have the answer in the comment section. So let me clean this to go to our number 14 without wasting time. So I have some questions for you to finish. Do well to finish it and put the answer in the comment section. So that is that. So on number 14 question says, on which 2 days were the number of guests present the same? On Monday we have 184, on Tuesday we have 180, on Wednesday we have 184. So obviously on Monday and Wednesday, the number of girls, Monday and Wednesday. So those are the 2 days we have their numbers. So now to number 15, they said express 1/5 as a percentage. As I used to say, anywhere you hear percentage is over 100. 1/5, 5 year 1, 5 year 2. So now we have what? 1 times 2, which is equal to 20%. Number 16. What is the average of the following numbers? When you are getting average, you add all the numbers together and divide them by the total items. So we have 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 11 plus 10 plus 17 plus 15 to be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So please let me have the answer in the comments section. I hope we are together. So now to number 17. If 2.07 times 19.4 is equal to 40.158, what is 20.7 times 1.94? So we should be able to do this conveniently. 4 multiplied by 7, that is 24. Sorry, that is 28. You write it 4 multiplied by this. Then you give me the final answer in the comment section. Number 18 now. The length of a hall is 15 meters. It is represented by a line 3 centimeters long on a scale drawing. What scale is used? 15 divided by 3, and that is 5/1, which is equal to 1 centimeter represents what? Represent 5 meters. So simple as ABC. Number 19. How many tables, each weighing 15 grams, will weigh a total of 15 kg? The first thing is to make sure they are in the same units. Now we are having grams and we are having kg. So let's convert our 15 kg to grams. 15 kg to grams will be what? 15 times 1,000, which is equal to 15,000. Now we can start our question. So that will be 15,000 divided by 15. They are now in the same gram. 15 year 1, 15 year 1. So we are having 1,000. So 1,000 will be able. So 1,000 tables will be able to be taken from that. So now to our number 20th question. If 40 means 4 multiplied by t and 40 minus 12, 40 minus 12 is equal to 36. So how do we go about this? That will be 36 plus 12, which is equal to 48. Is that our final answer? No. That will be 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1, the 4 here, so that is 12. So if you have this, that will be 12 times 4 minus 12 is equal to b. So let's cross check. That will be 12 times 4. That is 8. That is 4. 48 minus 12, and that gives us 6. 36. So our answer there is t is equal to 12. That's our final answer in that question. So now to our number 21 question. Bayo borrowed 2,000 from his friend. He agreed to pay it back after 2 years. The principal there is 2,000. The time there is 2 years with an interest of 2.5% per year. How much he pay back to his friend? How much is he paying back to his friend? Number 21. The formula for our simple interest is principal times time times rate over 100. The principal there is 2,000. The time is 2 years. The rate is 2.5 over 100. So that would be 2,000 multiplied by 2. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5 over 2 multiplied by over 100. And that would be 2,000 times 2 times 5 over 100. So let's do the cutting. So we have 20 times 5, which is equal to 100 naira. Is that our final answer? No, because it will be principal plus interest, which is equal to 2,000 plus 100, which is equal to 2,100. So that is the price he'll be paying back to his friend. Now to number 22. If 4 men can finish a job in 6 days, how long will it take 3 men to finish the job working at the same? So they said 4 men can finish that job in 6 days. We have been doing questions like this, so we are giving me the final answer. 3 men will be doing it for how many days? So do well to send the answer to me in the comment section. Now to number 23. What percentage of 14.4 is 4.8? So that will be times 100. Do it and let me see the answer. Now to number 24. Let me clean this. So we are stopping in number 25. So now to number 24. A trader allows a discount of 15%. Anywhere you hear the word percent is over 100. On all goods which cost more than 10 naira. How much discount will he give on something costing? So number 24. 15%. That is 15 over 100. And they said the good cost 60 naira. So this will be this. 5 here 2, 5 here 3. So we are having 3 times 6 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. That means we are having 3 times 3, which is equal to 9 naira. So the discount on goods costing 60 naira will be 9 naira, which is option B. So that brings us to the last question, which says if 5 meters of clothes cost 16 naira 40 kobo, what will be the cost of 8 meters of the same clothes? Now 5 meters of the clothes is 16 naira 40 kobo. The first thing to do is divide 16 naira 40 kobo by 5 to get how much a meter of clothes will cost. Question number 25, and that will be 16.40 divided by 5. 5 here 1, 5 in 15, 5 in 16, that is 3. Remainder 1. 5 in 14, that is 2. Remainder 4. 5 in 40, that is 8. So that means a meter of clothes is costing this. So we want to know how much 8 meters will cost. So that will be 3.28 multiplied by 8, and you get your final answer. Do well to give me the answer without using calculator. We have come to the end of today's class. If you have enjoyed it, please do well to share with others. And it is amazing that it's only 10% of my watchers that are subscribers. So if you have not subscribed and you are finding it very interesting to watch, please do well to subscribe. I love you. See you in the next mathematics class. Bye.